Tom from the National Weather Service with our routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period Thursday, November 21st through Wednesday, November 27th. Taking a look at the key points coming up in the next week, we'll have a cold front moving through the area tonight. That's going to bring a reinforcing shot of colder temperatures along with some even drier air. A freeze watch is in effect tonight across our entire forecast area. After tomorrow, temperatures will gradually warm until the passage of another cold front that will come across in the middle of next week, and that will also bring the next chance of rain. So again, that freeze watch is in effect tonight, late Thursday into Friday morning. That does expand to the south and east outside of our forecast area. We'll probably be making a decision on whether that will become freeze warning or a frost advisory later on this afternoon. Taking a look at the thunderstorm potential, we do not have any potential for thunderstorms in the forecast for the next 8 days, so none of that will be severe. Taking a look at the rainfall, you can see a couple of spotty showers, maybe just south of our area on Monday. Otherwise, again, the next 5 days should be dry. Speaking of dry weather, taking a look at the drought update, you can end up seeing there were some minor changes between last week's drought status at the bottom center and the larger graphic up top, but about 2/3 of the state remains abnormally dry, technically not in drought. Most of the drought is contained to the coastline, although it does cover portions of our area that are in a moderate drought. Taking a look at the National Hurricane Center's 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook, there is no activity expected during the next 7 days. We are nearing the end of the season. The official hurricane season is June 1st through November 30th, so we are getting close to a close on that. Taking a look at the 8 to 14-day temperature and precipitation outlook, you can end up seeing that it appears that a good portion of the state should be below normal, anywhere between 33 to 50% chance of below normal temperatures, and there could be at least some chance of above normal precipitation. Looking at the bottom of the slide, you can see that those normal highs are in the mid-50s to around 60, and the normal lows are in the mid-30s. Taking a look at our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, you see a couple things are lit up. The winds are going to be a little bit gusty today, especially out towards the triad, with the front particularly around sunset itself. Again, that frost freeze is lit up as a moderate risk for today, a lesser threat into Friday. Also can't rule out having some freeze potential Saturday morning as well. Fire weather is also listed as an elevated threat. We don't have necessarily a combination of low relative humidity and higher wind gusts in the same location, which is the reason we haven't issued any products on that. That is something to keep in mind as well. So again, our weather summary, a cold front will move through the area tonight, bringing colder temperatures and drier air. We have a freeze watch in effect for our entire forecast area late tonight into Friday morning. And then after tomorrow, temperatures will gradually warm until another cold front in the middle of next week, bringing our next chance for rain.